the new car smell. I have never had that before. It does not smell like my old car at all.
You love that new car smell.
Yes.
Right? Do you like it?
Yes, I think I definitely made the right decision coming here.
Good.
Are you a Jim Ellis Hyundai customer?
My parents have been for years, and now I am.